Hello, I wanted to give you a daily update. It is Wednesday, so if you don't see this till tomorrow, that's really okay. But I've gotten a few emails about grades, and I know I said this in another video. I'm not sure if you got to see that video, but the thing about grading right now is I did the math, and I have 163 kids. That's my online students, that's hybrid, advisory. So I'm trying to keep track of 163 students, and if you email me, there's a good chance that you're right. I haven't gotten to that one assignment that you turned in or a couple assignments that you turned in. It is okay to email me and say, I finished this and can you please grade it? Because I feel like that's a legitimate question. It's something that I would maybe email a teacher. The problem is I need you to give it a few days. If you turned it in, let's say last night, even if it was like 6 p.m., I don't get to it that night, okay? And the chances of me grading something that you just happen to turn in are it's gonna be rare. It could happen. So this is what I do for my grading. And I just thought maybe you would wanna know. So what I do is I look and see who's turned in the majority of the assignment. So if, for example, the peanut butter and jelly discussion board, if you don't know what that is, that's fine. It might not be your class. As of this morning, I had 38 out of 65 of my students turn that in. They're done with it. Okay, so I went through, or I'm going through, and I'm grading that. But if you decide to turn it in an hour from now, I'm not going back to it. I'm going on to another assignment that, again, a majority of people have turned in. So I may not get back to that one assignment until a few days from now, or probably Friday, because tomorrow I'm live all day. I just want you to hear that and to keep contacting me. But if you have something, especially if it's late or you've redone it or something, it's going to take me a little while. So I'm very flexible with you and as far as turning things in, asking for an extension, whatever. And so I expect you to be very flexible with grades, and I will update them as quickly as I can. I hope this doesn't disappoint you. And if you ever have an issue, let me know. Also, you might want to go back and check your grades. So if you want to see what you got on an assignment, you go to that little part of Schoology to the left that says grades and go in there and check it out. There's going to be comments that teachers make, and you can see whether you've submitted it or not, so you know if you have it done. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this is helpful. I'm sorry if it's disappointing, but it's just the way it is right now because virtual is kicking my butt. Sorry I said butt.